Spatial reasoning in driving. Spatial reasoning involves the ability to think and reason by comparing, manipulating, and transforming mental pictures. Spatial sense comprises two components: spatial visualization and spatial orientation. Spatial visualization is the ability to visually compare shapes that have changed position on the plane, the coordinate plane, or in space. Visual orientation is the ability to look at a fixed figure from several different points of view.
Spatial reasoning in simpler terms is trying to figure out what we can't see from what we can see. While parallel parking, judgment is used to see how much space you have if you are parking between two cars so that you don't hit another vehicle. This uses spatial reasoning by determining from what you see if the size of your car can fit into the space. This is also used when having to change the position of your car from being on the main road by angling it to become parallel to the side of the road in a parking spot. Spatial reasoning is needed to judge the distance between the car and the curb and being able to accurately maneuver the car into a place using just the mirrors and without actually being able to see the curb itself.
Another example of spatial reasoning in driving is when you are driving on the highway. Spatial reasoning can be seen when you are merging onto the highway. When merging, drivers must make sure that there is enough space to merge into ongoing highway traffic. One has to look from multiple viewpoints to merge into the freeway, over their shoulder and in your mirror. It is the same for changing lanes once you are on the freeway. You must make sure not to hit someone in another lane. Spatial reasoning can also be seen when you are merging lanes due to construction. Sometimes during construction, a driver has to disregard the lines on the road and they have to figure out a new route that they are directed to go. This is an example of poor spatial reasoning.